Hey guys, I'm here to show you the recipe for the cocktail that we made for Marcia Hines. It's a vodka Mandarin mint martini. Get excited. Tom's gone out, pick the mandarins for us. So here we go. All you need to do is simply peel your mandarins. Make sure you get rid of the pit and the pith because it'll get really bitter otherwise. And all you need to do is peel 4 of these and add them to a blender. Can use a wand blender. And a cup of water and 1 dash of simple syrup. Now just blend it on light for a minute. Once you've blended it for a minute, you just need to put it through a quick sieve to get rid of all the pulp because we just want the beautiful juice.
When does the alcohol come involved?
Hang on. Muddle that through. And now we get to make the cocktail. So, all you need, cocktail shaker, grab a couple of mint leaves, and either a muddling stick, wooden spoon, anything, but just crush those mint leaves up really good. Now, have the ice chilling in the glass, tip that in. We add a cup of the mandarin juice, a splash of vodka, and a dash of orange liqueur. Now, you can use either Cointreau or triple sec for this, doesn't really matter, and then just give it a really good shake. Okay, and then all you do is simply strain out into a glass.
Ooh, okay.
How gorgeous does that look? And then just for a bit of decoration, add a sprig of mint. And there you have a Mandarin Martini.
That's actually really good. Took a long time, but it's good. Follow us on our socials to get the recipe.
More recipes to come.